Hello dear students of class 5. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 10, and you can refer to page number 84. And we are going to start a new poem. The title of the poem is All the World is a Rainbow by Anonymous. Please refer to page number 84. Okay. All the world is a rainbow is written by Anonymous. We don't know the poet, name of the poet. So this poem, that is, all the world is a rainbow, it shows that the world is being compared with a rainbow, with a melody and with a stage. And the people and their different people and their roles are being compared with the colors of the rainbow, tunes in the melody, and the actors on the stage. Here, the poet conveys very important message that which shows that the world is beautiful and complete when the people coexist and they work as a team. Each individual has their purpose and they are unique and they have got a different role. But when they try to achieve by themselves, they cannot achieve anything by single-handed. As when they come, when they coexist and when they work as a team, then the world becomes a very beautiful place and a meaningful place, and yes, everything can be achieved. And the poem also, what it inspires, or it's some kind of what it inspires us is that it inspires us to admire people and their lives and its diversity. Then only our life would be beautiful and very meaningful towards the end. So let us begin the poem, that is, All the World is a Rainbow by Anonymous. And this poem consists of 7 stanzas, and here there is a use of figure of speech, that is, metaphor. Where it has been used, I am going to inform you later. Okay? Let us begin the poem. All the world is a rainbow. Here in the beginning of the first sentence itself, there is a use of a figure of speech, that is metaphor. Now what is metaphor? Metaphor is a figure of speech which compares two things which are unrelated, but somehow they share common characteristics. So here the world is being compared with the rainbow. So here in the first line, the first stanza, first line itself, there is a use of figure of speech, that is metaphor. That's all. The world is being compared with the rainbow. How? That we are going to read it out. Okay. All the world is a rainbow. So you already know rainbow it consists 7 colors, right? So what color are you? So the poet is asking to the reader, what color are you? Are you red? Are you black or white? Are you yellow or brown? Are you some other shades or hue? The hue here, it means a color or a shade. So we already know that in a rainbow there are 7 colors. So the poet is asking, which color do you prefer, or what color are you? So everybody heard in this stanza itself that everybody who exists. Okay? The world is compared with a rainbow. So in a rainbow there are varieties of colors. The colors are being compared with different people. In order to make a world complete, the world consists of different people. So what type of color are you? What type of people are you? The poet is asking the question to the readers. Now let us come to the second stanza, that is, all the world is a rainbow. Here also we already know that it's use of metaphor. And the sky needs all of me and all of you. So this rainbow is one of the phenomena, natural phenomena. When it occurs when three things happen. That is, first, the water droplet should suspend in the air. Second, and when the sun comes out, after the rain, when the sun comes out, okay, everything is clear. And the third thing is that we should make sure that the sky should be clear. After the rain, when the sun comes out and when there is no cloud, then only the rainbow is seen in the sky. So in order to see the rainbow in the sky, okay, that means rainbow in the sky, in the sky to have a rainbow, that means all the three colors, all the seven colors that which I have written here, that is, rainbow has got 7 colors, okay, that is, R stands for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, G for green, B for blue, I for indigo, V for violet. So there are the 7 colors. So which color are you? In order to have rainbow in the sky, which color are you? So in order to have rainbow as a complete rainbow in the sky, all of you are needed to be there in the sky. Okay, there is a deeper meaning for that. And already we have compared that people are like a rainbow colors of rainbow. So in order to have rainbow in the sky, the sky needs all of me and all of you. All of me and all of you. All our brothers and sisters too. We can leave, we can give, all of me and you. As I've already given the gist of the poem, that the poem conveys a message that the world is beautiful and very complete because people coexist and they work as a team. So this is what the poet is conveying the message. In the third stanza, the world, here also there is a use of metaphor. All the world is a melody. The world is compared with a melody. And in the melody, you need the different notes. And the poet is asking here again, what note are you? Are you high? Are you low? Are you fast or are you slow? Are you sour or in a sweet harmony? The word harmony means a pleasant sounding tune. So in order to have a pleasant tune, what note do you prefer to be? In order to have a good music, okay, the word there, your word has been compared with the melody. So in order to have a beautiful music or a melody, what note are you? That means what are the help, or what are you really there for you in your existence? Okay, you exist in the world. So what is your reason to exist? Are you being a good example? Are you being a social person, or are you a selfish person? There are different human beings, right? So different human beings have different role to play. So your role has been compared with the tunes. So which tunes do you produce in order to give a good melody or to give a good music? Okay. Now coming to the next stanza, that is, all the world is a melody. As here also it is, we have already said, the use of figure of speech, that is metaphor. That is, the word is compared with the melody, and the song needs all of me and all of you. Yes, as the role of human being is already compared with a tune. In order to produce a good melody, good music, everybody is needed there. Okay? So, the world is tapestry. I am woven in with. So, here the tapestry means, okay, the harmony means the quality of forming a pleasing combination of things, and tapestry means a piece of thick fabric with a design woven or embroidered on it. So it is as you have seen in the masterpiece at your home. Okay, especially it is framed in a fabric or in a cloth where a design is given of different animals, of natures. Okay, then you have frame it and keep it on your living room for decoration. So likewise, the circumstance, okay, or the life is all interwoven. Every people are interconnected, interrelated, just like the tapestry in the fabric or in the frame. Okay, everybody is connected in our life. Everybody is dependent. Everybody coexists. Everybody works as a team, because nothing can be achieved single-handedly. So here the poet is saying, the world is a tapestry in which the poet is saying, I am also woven, you are also connected, everybody is connected. And all the world is a restless sea. I am just a wave like you. Yes, here in the poem, the restless sea is like a restlessness, a restless mind of our people. People are working, they are worried for the future. Okay, so this like our mind is restless. Same like the poet's mind is also like a wave, never stable. It is always, it waves, it makes a wave. Everybody is worried for the future, right? Our mind is restless. So world is like a restless sea. Everybody is busy with the competition. Everybody is busy with the gain. Everybody is something to improve. Okay, to bring the changes in the life. Something to discover. Something to explore. People are always busy with something. They are always something new in life. They are always exploring something. They have duties to perform. They have got responsibility to be done. Okay, they have so many things to gain. So life is like a restless sea. So it is, everybody's life is restless sea. So our mind is restless. We are worried for the future. Same like the poet is also worried for that. And he is also one of the wave in the sea. Okay. And towards the last stanza, the poet also has used the figure of speech, that is metaphor. The world is compared with the stage, and the roles of the people in the world is compared with the actors. Okay, all the world is just a stage. What role have you? Are you good? Are you bad? Are you happy or are you sad? Are you weak, strong, false or true? All the world is just a stage, and the play needs all of me and all of you. So I want to conclude this poem saying that, as I've already informed in the beginning, that the world is compared with the rainbow, with the melody, with the stage, and with the restless sea, with a tapestry. Okay, these are all use of metaphor, figure of speech, where the two things are compared which are unrelated, but somehow they share the common characteristics. Okay, so the world is been compared with so many things, and the role has been compared with the colors of the rainbow. Role of the people is compared with the colors of rainbow, tunes in the music, and the actors on the stage. So it's simply it says that the world is complete and beautiful when and because of people who exist. They are interwoven. They are related to each other. Okay, and as for the success, they work as a team. So, and the world becomes beautiful and complete when people come together and work together and makes a complete like a rainbow. The different colors are rainbow because different people have a different role. They are unique as well as they have individual differences, but still they are correlated and they work as a team. Then only this world becomes a beautiful place to live. So what I suggest you all, go through this poem, read it, and as the poem has been completed. So we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you.